This is part 3 of survey. In this video you will learn to check the survey that you have already prepared and then the responses, how responses has been registered. Now this is the survey. Now you can check here, already 3 responses are there. This is highlighted. This is a question actually. You are the editor or the creator of the form, so the editing view opens. There you can add questions or delete some questions from this, but you will have a response sheet from here, and you can click on this tab responses 3, then you can see the response here. This is how there are male, female, or not to prepare, say this is the directly the form that comes in the diagrammatic presentation or chart of all the submissions. You see, that's how the Google gives you a kind of summary of the form that are submitted to you. If there are more responses, maybe 30, 40, 50, all data will be reflected on this chart. This is pie chart, and the same way another pie chart and bar graph and so on. Now, but our purpose is to see the same data in Excel sheet. So you first of all click on it, and then you have to create a spreadsheet, it means. So for the same form, so far the spreadsheet is not created. Now click on this spreadsheet and select existing or create new. Yes, new. Then you have to create a new spreadsheet, survey responses, and create. Simply click on create. Now go back to the Google Drive and check. See, or you can also check here. This is the survey. Under the survey folder we do have 2 files. One file is the response file, that is the survey responses in the sheet. You can see this is what the Excel sheet is about. There are 3 responses collected, and this comes in Excel sheet. Now the same sheet can be downloaded. For example, you can go to the file and then download and Microsoft Excel. Yes, this can be downloaded in your local computer, for example desktop. Here I have some sample survey, and this is the survey I downloaded in my desktop, my computer. From where? From Google's site. Now you can see we will process the same data in SPSS. So this is the survey. So next part you will learn how to import the same data in SPSS. Thank you so much for watching this survey 3 videos. Video 1 about creating Google survey using the all responses, I mean all the questionnaires from Microsoft Word. The second, sharing and collecting the information, or sharing the survey and collecting the response. And third video, creating the Excel sheet in Google and downloading from Google to your computer in Excel sheet. All data collected from Google to Microsoft Excel file in your computer. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you have any question about these 3 parts, then you please mention in the comment box.